At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a line of showers with wind gusts as high as 60 miles per hour heading toward the area. A high wind warning is in effect for Herkimer, Hamilton, and northern Fulton counties, and these winds may cause damage in the warning area as they move across the region. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Indian Lake, Speculator, Old Forge, Ohio, Lake Pleasant, Newport, Stratford, Middleville, Poland, Inlet, Cold Brook, Blue Mountain Lake, Lake Eaton Campground, Brown Track Pond Campground, Big Moose, Eighth Lake Campground, Golden Beach Campground, Moffett Beach Campground, Mix Lake Campground, and Fort Lake Public Campground. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. What? Southwest winds becoming westerly at 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts 40 to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? All of eastern New York except for the southwest Adirondacks and southern Herkimer County, and for all of western New England. When? Until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, such as holiday decorations. Trees and tree limbs could be blown down and power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.